The increasing number of illegal initiation schools remain a concern for the authorities. Many of these schools are said to ignore health guidelines, resulting in the deaths of initiates. Dehydration, underlying medical conditions, abuse, and assault are some of these concerns. 11 initiates have died since the start of this year's winter initiation season. 3 in Gauteng, 3 in Limpopo, and 4 in the Eastern Cape. The abduction of young boys is also a worrisome problem.
From the report we have received, in Gauteng 3 initiates have died and 138 have been abducted. And we are pleased also to say the 138 young men who have been abducted have been rescued and returned to their families, although some of them had to go to clinics and hospitals for recovery. But the crackdown with regard to the illegal initiation schools, it's a commendable thing, and we want to appeal to the law enforcement agencies to double their efforts.
A call has been made to hold those responsible for the deaths of these young boys accountable.
This National Consultative Conference must address itself to the carnage that this crisis is causing, the death of the initiates. Now, my expectation is that out of this, we'll be able to have a strategy, implementable strategy, timelines, to hold people to account, those who are responsible, to make sure that they give oversight to this. And they must also be held to account, because you can't convene even a legal what you call initiation school, and allow it to run.
The country's traditional leadership believes stakeholder engagements have an important function.
I would say it is not in vain when we're doing all these workshops. All we are doing is, as National Initiation Oversight Committee, we have our program whereby we were holding meetings with all PICCs in the provinces before the start of the initiation season, giving guidance where we can, and getting their readiness for the start of the season. And thereafter we'll get the reports of how the season has gone. So in the start of the season, it is envisaged by New York that what is it that they should do. Most probably it is the awareness campaigns, so that people should be aware of what they should do, because there are role players in this initiation. Government has got a role to play, traditional leaders have got a role to play, and even parents have got a role to play. So everyone has its own role to play.
With the high rise of initiatives across the country, the Commission for Religious and Cultural Rights has taken a stand to have unregulated initiation schools closed down. The Commission is also set to put a plan of action in engaging the public on understanding traditional values within families and initiation schools. Monique Lewis, SABC News, Boksburg.